Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keep stopping on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Tinder app and you can click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.